What would you do if there was a power cut? 12, 24 hours, even longer? I have made a power cut kit Christmas hamper. What do I put in the kit? Torch and spare batteries, hat gloves and a woolly blanket. If there's a power cut, that may affect your gas central heating, which often will need electricity to work the pumps. You might also find that the water goes off, so I've put 2 litres of water in there just in case. I've also got a load of candles, matches, lighter, because you don't want to have to rely on your torch all the time. Communication. Mobile phone, well, I've put a power bank in there, which should keep me going. But the local towers, the mobile phone masts, they've only got 3 or 4 hours of battery in them. So after that, the internet's going to go down. How are you going to find out what's going on? Wind up radio. And with that, all the FM stations of the local radios in my area. I've also put in here all the numbers, phone numbers of people and organisations I may wish to contact in an emergency. There's also £50 of cash in there. Landline probably will work, but not with a wireless phone. So I've got an Analogue plug-in phone so that I can still make some calls. Hand sanitizer, because you still want to keep clean. 24-hour ration pack, and this pack has also got a self-heating meal in it, so in that 24 hours I'm going to get 1 warm meal at least. I've also got chocolate and biscuits because, well, any emergency needs chocolate and biscuits. And a first aid kit, particularly with a load of candles around. There's more likely to be some burns, so I've put some extra special kits for looking after burns in there. What would you add? What do you think I've missed? Let me know.